I'm feeling you, are you feeling me? Oh, wait. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I showed you guys like an intro that is worthy of being an intro on YouTube. But I posted 2 or 3 videos before this one. In this video, guys, tell me I don't look like Ronke Raji. Like, just look at me. I'm gonna look at her last few videos on YouTube and tell me I don't look like her. Well, maybe not really like her, but when I say hair, I mean her. So don't take it so seriously. But she inspired my hairdo. She inspired this makeup. I try to do it the way she likes to do it, like subtle eyes and then very smoked out under eyes and then like the full voluptuous lips. I hope I made her proud if she's watching this. But anyway, if you like to see how I achieved this look, I did a vlog. This is my first ever vlog on YouTube, so I did a vlog. You're going to see it in this video, how I achieved this gorgeous hairdo inspired by Ronke. Like I said, I'm going to show you guys how they mixed the attachment, because this is not how the attachment came, but I had them custom mix it to give me these colors. I'm going to show you guys how I made it. Gosh guys, it took me 8 hours to do this hair. 8 1 2 3 4 5 to 8. It's not even funny. Like, if you have a salon where there are like 2 or 3 people plaiting the hair, it will be faster. But I feel because we're just one person, it was really slow. 8 hours, it was not even funny. I was sad by the end of the day. So anyway, I'm going to show you guys the vlog in the video, and also show you guys this makeup look. Of course, Ronke uploaded a video like that where she did her hair and her makeup, and then I wanted to do something like that because she inspires me so much. I love you, girl, if you're watching this, and I wish you the safest term ever and an amazing delivery. I love you so much. You're the yummiest mom ever. Just anyway guys, before I continue blabbing on in this video, if you like to see how I achieved this look, how this hair was achieved, I'm not going to say how I achieved this hair because it's impossible for me to achieve this by myself, so if you like to see the whole shebang, please keep on watching. Don't forget, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. It will mean so much to me. Let's get right into this video, guys. My hair is natural, so I'm going to attempt to vlog now for the first time on my channel to show you guys how I did this hair. It's inspired by Ronke Raji on Instagram. I love that girl so much, and she's so yummy now that she's pregnant. Gosh. So anyway, it's like the usual Fulani braids on my hair, and they're working on the braiding hair now. They're working on it. I'll show you guys in a bit, but it's just a mixture of different colors because I wanted something different. I didn't want the usual hair. I wanted something different, so it's just a mixture of that. I'm going to show you guys like steps and bits of how I achieved my hair. I came with my ring light, so I'm putting in effort to try and vlog for you guys, because even though nothing really happens in Kaduna, I know people are going to ask me how did I achieve my hair. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, stay beautiful, guys. See you soon when the hairstylist comes in. She wants to get something. Okay, let me show you guys so these are the filming I say filming equipment. This is how the hair is looking like. They are mixing it to different colors in all of them. I really don't know what colors were used, so there are hairs that come already mixed like that, but then we couldn't get one of durable quality. So this is how the mixing is going to look. Really bomb, right? So this is how the mixing is going to look. Really cute. I just wanted something very organic, and yeah, that's more hair there as well. So I know my sunscreen is looking a bit funny, but I don't know, I'm just blabbing. I'm excited to be vlogging for the very first time. So I'm going to see you guys once the hairstylist come back. I'll turn on the camera again once we're about to wash my hair and do all of that good stuff. So kisses. So of course I had to wash my hair, and then I'm using heat to the blow dryer in heat mode to straighten out the hair. But if you don't like heat on your hair, then you have to find another method to make it straight. If not, the hair wouldn't be so neat, or so my hairstylist told me. So I just used blow dryer, and that was it. So this style is like your usual step hair, but just extended with attachment. So it's divided into 4 steps, so 3 steps all back, then the center part is the 4th step. So it's pretty much explained with the way you can see my hair divided. So it's just very explanatory. About the attachment mixing, I'm going to have the numbers they used and mixed in the description box. Let me not say attachment, let me sound too braiding hair. So I'm just showing you guys like just up close snippets of how the hair was achieved. Guys, this hair took a total of 8 hours, man, like 8 good hours. I started making it by like 2, and then we're done by 10 p.m. So if you want to make this hair, you have to brace yourself, or get a salon that has more than one person making your hair for you. But beauty is pain, and it was totally worth it at the end. I'm just showing you guys still like the process and all, so that you understand. Of course, I had to eat. Hello, I was hungry. So I'm giving you guys like a mini mukbang here. Trust me, I don't have any cute faces when I'm eating. I don't even care about your feelings. I just chop the food anyhow. Anyway, so we just took a mini break here, and then we're back to like the trouble of doing hair. So yeah, this was almost when we're almost done. I think it's just very self-explanatory to your hairstylist. I showed the most part, so she should be able to get the hang of it, or he, if your hairstylist is a guy. This was just like me showing you from afar. At this point you could see I was knackered, like I was crying in my mind. I was so tired, See me showing you the time. This was 7:54, and I was not even about to be done here. Like there was still 3 more hours left. So well, we survived, guys. We survived. This was the finishing part. You can see me so angry. So the hair was done, pretty much done here. You'll see them put it in hot water very soon, just to make the braiding hair loosen up and become less heavy and less stiff. So I think that's why it's been put inside hot water. I really don't know why they do it, but it really helps to make the hair, I feel it makes the hair less stiff and reduces the weight of the braiding hair or the attachment. So that's what I'm doing. That's what they'll be doing soon once she finishes braiding the back. So the hair was pretty long, like it's down below my butt, and I'm quite tall. So yeah, this is the finished look. Yeah, into the makeup now. I'm using my Zaron primer. This primer is so bomb. It's really nice. It keeps the oil at bay. And I'm using my Huda Beauty foundation. About the Zaron primer, let me know if you guys want to see like an in-depth video, like me testing it vlog style for you, on how it lasts, if oil comes through, all that good stuff. Just let me know and I'll work towards doing that for you. Well, I love this Huda Beauty foundation and this Zaron brush. Like, see how it's blending out the foundation. Like, that match is so beautiful. I was just admiring myself in my viewfinder throughout. And I'm using my combination of my Huda Beauty concealer and my butterscotch from Too Faced. Like, this combination, I don't know what I was, combination of the foundation and the concealer and the powder on this day, but I was just feeling the look. Like, I don't even know what it is. I'm going to try it again, this same routine, and I'll see if it repeats itself. If it does, man, I found a new routine. I took my contour higher than I would usually do, and I love the way it actually framed my face in this video or in this tutorial. So I probably will be trying it out more, and once I master it, I'll share with you guys. So I'm just doing the usual, you know, cleaning up the contour, setting it with powder, you know, the good. And then I'm setting my contour as well. Very soon you'll see me use eyeshadow to do my blush. I love that Juvia's Place eyeshadow for that. I wish I could just detach those two from that palette and use it always for my blush. Just put it somewhere else I'm using all the time. For my eyes, Ronke doesn't do so much most times on her eyes. It's pretty much mostly neutral. So I'm just cleaning out my eyebrow space with concealer. Then I'll set it with the Zaron loose setting powder. This shadow is from Huda Beauty, and I basically use 3 shadows for this look, guys. The first one is this brown one from the palette, then the next one is this grayish brown from this Morphe 35O palette. So that grayish brown is not like the usual warm brown, it's kind of cool toned, so that's why I used second color. Then the third color is my lip color, still from the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette. So I went ahead to start filling in my brows and, you know, my lashes, you know, just the usual stuff. I feel the tutorial is very self-explanatory, but I still wanted to come and talk to you guys, so you guys, I'll be in people's ears. Yes, so that's what I'm doing here. And my lips, I used this Zaron Buttercup lipstick. Very nice, very lovely. And the brown lip pencil as well is from them. It's called Bold, I think, or Cappuccino. Bold, yeah, from Zaron. I just take my time line it. Ronke lines her lips, so overlines a bit, so I try to do that in this video. I hope I did it well. Let me know in the comments down below. But this is pretty much the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Yes, you see me feeling myself. Okay, I'm adding gloss now. I use the butt of my brush to just apply gloss, and to just clear gloss just over everything to make the lips look more, you know, succulent and kissable and just nice, and just, you know, I'm sorry I'm covering it with a mirror now, but you get the gist of what I'm doing, sha. So this is now the finished look. Yes, baby, slay, honey, fine girl. So that completes the tutorial. I'm sure you saw me suffering in that hair situation where I was doing my hair. I suffered, guys. It's not even a funny. This video now is recorded 2 days after I made the hair, so the hair is 2 days old, but it still looks, obviously there's nothing that's supposed to have happened to the hair, but anyway, this video was recorded 2 days after I recorded that vlog video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, enjoyed watching me suffer. In case you like to, you know, recreate this look, the hair, the mixture of the expression attachment I used is going to be in my description box, or I'm going to put it on the screen. So in case you want to recreate it, just feel free, have fun. If you're in Kaduna, you can also hit me up in the DMs, and I'm going to send you the hairstylist contact as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Like I said, this video, vlog style video, you know, my first ever vlog on YouTube. If you guys want to see more vlogs, let me know. Even though my life is not so much interesting like that, we're vlogging all the time, but if you want to see what I get up to here in Kaduna, Nigeria, do let me know. And I'm going to go ahead and, you know, try to record some vlogs of like some seemingly interesting days in my life in Kaduna State. I love you guys so much. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for watching up until this point. Leave me video requests down below. I know every time I tell you guys to leave requests, people leave, and it's like I'm not seeing it. I'm seeing it, I'm writing them down, and I'm planning to record them. Most of them require me to talk through, but then there's usually, I know you guys are tired of hearing me say this, but it's the truth, there's usually no power supply, and then the generating sound is usually louder than my audio for my camera, and you guys don't even want to hear that sound, just like very loud. So that's why most of my videos are voiceover tutorials. But the moment I get the chance to do a talk through, trust me when I say I'm going to do it for you guys. I'm going to do those videos. So please don't get tired of leaving video requests down below, and let me know if I nail this look. Do I look like Ronke Raji? If you don't know who Ronke Raji is, Ronke Raji Adiola, she's married now. If you don't know who she is, then I don't know what you are doing as an African Nigerian, African American beauty lover, beauty blogger. She's amazing. Just go follow her on Instagram. You'll see her there, Ronke Raji. Yeah, so thank you guys. I'm going to see you in my next video. Please don't forget, subscribe, very important. Subscribe, tell your friends about my channel. Also, please leave me a comment down below. Like I said, share this video on your stories, tag me. I'd love to see you guys watching it. And yeah, we'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.